Kibera, said to be the biggest informal settlement in Africa. Much has been said about this place in the past, most of it not very good. This is the making of a new Kibera.
These young people are expected to mentor and work with more than 200,000 of their neighbors in nation-building work. Dams and civil works, sanitation and hygiene, community security.
In line with the Jubilee government's commitment to improving the lives of Kenyans and true to the new rebranded NYS 5-point vision, the government embarked on an ambitious youth empowerment program that would see major slums in Kenya get a much-needed facelift, bettering the living conditions of Kenyans living in these informal settlements.
It's a very comprehensive program that is covering the entire country and has taken very many months, the first year of the Jubilee government to design, and now is the time that we are starting to roll it out.
The first stop was Kibera. What started out as an effort to clean up garbage, clear out drainage systems and build pavements in Kibera has turned out to be the biggest civil works project ever undertaken in a Kenyan slum in the history of the country. On his first visit to the Kibera site, His Excellency the President realized the magnitude of the task that the government had undertaken and directed that in addition to the environmental cleanup and paving, the project should also include the building of community ablution blocks, community clinics, and the construction of roads and affordable model houses. The project would also bring community and street lighting to Kibera. The teams involved had their work cut out for them, and they made a start immediately. Local men and women were recruited to join hands with government and NYS servicemen in this massive, dynamic, and unprecedented effort to bring dignity to the lives of the people of Kibera. First up was the construction of a 3.1-kilometer road that would cut across the breadth of Kibera. The roadworks had first to deal with the clearing of the area that was awash with mounds and mounds of garbage, a major project in itself. The works had to continue without bringing too much disruption to the social and economic lives of the residents who lived along the stretch. Kibera is always buzzing with activity, and the roadworks had to be undertaken under these conditions. The works have been a grueling, round-the-clock operation that has so far seen the preparation of the road surface, preparation of the road drainage, and commencement of the bitumen layering. Works are ongoing on the construction of affordable model housing units. Local men and women working long hours with the government agency partners and servicemen and women from the National Youth Service to give Kibera a decent, new face and dignified homes for its people. The difference is clear to see. Drainages have also been cleared and residents can literally breathe a sigh of relief. The government, in partnership with the Kenya Power Company, undertook to light up the lives of the people of Kibera. Street lights are coming up and massive community light masts are also being erected in all the villages of Kibera. Not even the challenges of maneuvering in the very restricted spaces in the villages could stop the effort to bring light to the people and the safety and security that comes with it. Kibera has for years been known for its not-so-dignifying flying toilets. The sanitation challenge in the valley is enormous. This is a challenge that the Youth Empowerment Program Kibera decided to face head-on. Currently, there are over 90 ablution blocks under construction in Kibera, spread across the different villages. Long days of hard work with collaboration between the government, NYS and the local community has seen over 50 blocks already fully constructed, equipped and connected to the sewerage line near ready for use. The remaining blocks will also be ready for use soon, making for a cleaner, healthier, new Kibera. The ablution blocks are a proud showcase of the Youth Empowerment Program Kibera. The government, the NYS, and the Beyond Zero campaign, championed by Her Excellency the First Lady of Kenya, Mrs. Margaret Kenyatta, have partnered to improve the health of the Kibera residents and especially the women and children. The Youth Empowerment Program Kibera commissioned the construction, fabrication and assembly of Beyond Zero community clinics for all the villages in Kibera. With the short timelines for the project's completion, the construction was an all-day, all-night affair. The arrival of the clinics is indeed bringing great joy and relief to the communities in Kibera. For a cleaner environment, the National Youth Service, in collaboration with the county government, has also been introducing vector control measures to rid Kibera of pests and mosquitoes. One amazing side product of the Youth Empowerment Program Kibera has been the drastic reduction in crime. Police reports put the reduction at an impressive 60% drop. There is work to be done on the ongoing construction projects in Kibera and money to be earned by the local youth. There is light in the streets and villages of Kibera, and with these, a safer Kibera. The Youth Empowerment Program Kibera is also bringing fully operational police posts which will be stationed in all the villages. To meet the project's deadlines, major fabrication works have been undertaken and the results are impressive. The delivery of each one of these police posts is coming with new hope for a safer Kibera. Going forward and for sustainability, the Youth Empowerment Program Kibera is initiating innovative, lucrative and sustainable income-earning projects for the people of Kibera. Methods of urban agriculture have been introduced and the people have taken up the responsibility to grow their own foods in new and innovative ways. Fish tanks have been set up in Kibera and urban fish farming is becoming an income-earning enterprise undertaken by the youth in Kibera. Equally important are the posho mills that have come with the Youth Empowerment Program Kibera, which will be handed over to local communities to run. An affordable and constant supply of flour will be ensured. The National Youth Service has been hard at work in Kibera, but their new mandate is bigger. It is a mandate to replicate this success in Kibera, not only in other slums, but also in other projects right across the country. One such project is the ongoing construction of water pans in parts of the country that have been experiencing water problems. Back to Kibera. It can be said that a new hope is surely rising over the valley.
Lazima hii kazi tufanye pamoja. Na tukiifanya pamoja, mimi sina shaka tutabadilisha Nairobi, tutabadilisha Kenya.
The President's commitment, the tireless work put in by the government, partner government agencies, the NYS and the local residents are bringing about true change in people's lives. In 3 short months, Kibera has undergone a massive transformation. It has not been easy work, but it is proving to be well worth it. The transformation of Kibera has been more than the building and construction of roads, housing, ablution blocks, clinics and police posts. It has seen a real transformation in real people's lives. A new hope is dawning as the people of Kibera become part of transforming their homes, building community assets and restoring dignity to their lives. The transformation in Kibera is a testament to the fact that hard challenges can be confronted and with a positive human spirit, driven by the desire for what is right, true and just, well thought out strategies, unity of purpose, the changes happening in Kibera can be replicated anywhere else in Kenya.
Finally, this is your day. Anyone willing to serve will have their reward. It is about your promise and the call to serve. Kenya can rest assured that it has thousands of thoroughly prepared and loyal young patriots at hand to raise our country to a new level.